Adding fractions with different denominators. There is one extra step compared to same denominator fractions, but the method is logical and consistent every time. When two fractions have different denominators, they are measured in different sized parts. Adding them directly would give the wrong answer. Both fractions first need to be converted, so they share the same denominator. Then the addition works exactly as before. There are 4 steps. Find a common denominator, a number both denominators divide into. Convert both fractions to use that denominator. Add the numerators. Then keep the denominator and simplify if possible. The most reliable way to find a common denominator is to multiply the two denominators together. The result always works for both fractions. It may not always be the smallest option, but it is always correct, and it removes any guesswork from the process. To convert a fraction to the new denominator, ask what the original denominator was multiplied by to get there. Then multiply the numerator by the same number. This is equivalent fractions in practice. The value of the fraction stays exactly the same, only the way it is written changes. 1/2 plus 1/3. Multiply the denominators. 2 times 3 equals 6. Convert 1/2. Multiply top and bottom by 3 to get 3/6. Convert 1/3. Multiply top and bottom by 2 to get 2/6. Now add 3/6 plus 2/6 equals 5/6. 5/6 cannot be simplified further. That is the answer. This applies in a wide range of everyday situations. Adding different time fractions, a half hour and a third of an hour. Combining fractional amounts in a recipe. Working out total shares when different fractions are involved. The method is always the same regardless of the numbers. The mistake to avoid is skipping the conversion step and adding numerators and denominators straight away. 1/2 plus 1/3 is not 2/5. That answer comes from adding both the top and bottom numbers directly, which is always wrong when denominators differ. The conversion step is not optional. Both fractions must match before anything is added. To add fractions with different denominators, multiply the denominators to find a common one, convert both fractions to use it, add the numerators, keep the denominator, and simplify if possible. The conversion step is what makes this different from same denominator addition, and it must always come first. Next up, subtracting fractions. Follow the channel so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.